first of all, we will see to it that everyone who comes here wears a mask and sanitizers are also used. So we will also provide at the door sanitizer to be used. And again, everyone has to take his own precaution, saying that suppose if he has any symptoms, then definitely he should go to the nearest health center and get himself tested.
And if he again comes, if properly come, tends to
No,
come.
knowingly if somebody violates the rule, that is knowing if he knows that he is positive and despite of that if he is violating the rule, then definitely action will be taken against him for violating the government order. Whatever deemed fit action is there, that will be taken as per IPC.
Under what section it will be? Under
Primarily, first thing will be violation of the government order for 188 under 188 of IPC, and other than that, whatever other acts have been imposed, based on that also action will be taken.
The candidate disqualification will be arise then.
No, that cannot be discussed, but that should not be a clause for disqualification. But definitely FIR will be registered. FIR, it's a violation of government order. If anyone knowingly, despite knowing that he is positive, if he moves out, then he is a threat to the other people. So definitely FIR can be registered against that person. Forms from total 2 candidates, total 3 nominations have been received because 1 candidate has filed 2 nominations. Total only 3 nominations have been received as of now.